Union Home Minister Amit Shah will hold a high-level meeting to review the situation in Manipur today as the President's rule in the state is nearing to an end on February 13. The meeting will be attended by Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Manipur Government Advisor Kuldeep Singh, Chief Secretary P.K. Goyal and Director General of Police Rajiv Singh, among other senior functionaries of the Union Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA). It is learned from the sources that the governor and all the key state officials have arrived in the national capital for the meeting, as they said that the agenda of the deliberations mostly revolves around law and order, security arrangements and issues relating to developmental initiatives. During the meeting chaired by the Home Minister, issues relating to recent developments on the ground are likely to be reviewed. An assessment will also be made on the prevailing law and order situation and coordinated security deployment. A discussion is also expected to take place on the development initiatives aimed at rebuilding infrastructure around areas inhabited by communities affected by spells of violence for the past 2.5 years. The deliberations at today's meeting and its outcome are likely to set the tone for restarting the political process in the state and restoration of democratic governance as part of the centre's larger goal of achieving peace and accelerating development in the state. Manipur has been under President's rule since February 13, 2025, following the resignation of N. Biren as Chief Minister on February 9 last year. The Parliament has extended President's rule in the state until February 2026.